Hi, I'm Dustin the tutor, and today I want to show you how to copy and paste like a pro. So most people, what they do when they're copying something is they will highlight it and then they'll hit Control C to copy it. And then they might paste that and then they might copy another item and continue to do that. However, if you hit the Windows key, if you're using a Windows computer or a PC, hold down on it and then lightly tap the V key, you will see that you have this thing called a clipboard. A lot of people are not aware of this. You can copy and paste many things at a time and then simply paste them one after another. So here I am pasting my lesson again, and you can see that it is very fast. So just remember, hold down on the Windows key and tap on V to access the clipboard. Sometimes you might not have the clipboard enabled on your computer. In that case, go to the search bar and click Clipboard, and it will come up with Clipboard Settings. When you're here, just check to make sure that you have the clipboard history on, okay? If you click it off, then it's not going to save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. All right, and that's basically it. I really hope this helps you work more efficiently. I'm Dustin the tutor. I create teaching resources and I post videos on mindset, on writing tools, and tech tools as well. If you want to follow me, that would be awesome. And I'll see you next time. Take care.